Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English reading. Start by selecting texts that match your current proficiency. Don't jump into advanced novels if you're a beginner. Choose simpler stories or articles. Concentrate on grasping the overall message first, then revisit for deeper understanding. Use a dictionary for unfamiliar words, but try to infer meaning from context to maintain reading flow. This approach builds confidence and comprehension effectively. To truly boost your reading skills, actively engage with new vocabulary. Try to learn 5 to 10 new words each day from the texts you read, perhaps by keeping a dedicated notebook. After reading a paragraph or a short section, pause and summarize it aloud or in your head. This reinforces comprehension and helps you retain information. Also, explore various genres, from news articles to short stories, to broaden your understanding and exposure to different writing styles. Consistency is key when learning to read English. Aim for at least 20 minutes of reading every single day. Even short, regular sessions are more effective than infrequent long ones. Reading aloud can significantly enhance your pronunciation and help you connect written words with their spoken forms. Consider joining an English reading club or an online community. Discussing texts with others provides new perspectives and reinforces your learning in a social setting. As your skills grow, gradually challenge yourself with slightly more complex texts. Don't be afraid to tackle materials that push your current comfort zone a little. Explore online resources such as graded readers, which are designed for different proficiency levels, and listen to English podcasts to improve your listening comprehension alongside reading. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see remarkable progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.